Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's video, I will be showing you how to set up a Shopify payment method. So, first of all, when you open your Shopify account for the first time or your Shopify website shop for the first time, you will not be having your payment method in it because they don't ask you for it. But you have to set up a payment method in order to get paid and your money will be received in that account. So how you can do that? First of all, you need to go to shopify.com. So Shopify, if you don't have an account already, it is really simple. You just click here and you create it, and it is really quick process. So here's the website if you don't know how it works. And yeah, basically now after you create your account and you try the free trial, the page will be something like that. So what you have to do is there will be so many options in here after completing all of these steps. So you have to complete all of these steps first. Now what you have to do is go to settings from here in the bottom left corner and then click on them. Here, as you can see, make the currency that you want. So here I will choose dirham Moroccan, and then go to facturation, which is the third thing, and here you can choose a payment method. So basically here you choose whether it was a PayPal credit or a credit card or PayPal. You put the information. You just have to fill all of this information, make sure that they are legally corrected because they will ask you for approve later on. And right after you finish these steps, you click in here and you will add the payment method, and this will be it for now. So yeah, once again you come here and you click in here and you will add it. So thank you guys a lot for watching, and see you in the next video.